Open your mouth. You nasty.
Let me get that since I licked on it.
You did not lick that.
Let
You
me-
didn't want to eat it.
What is that on there though?
What?
No, you did. I see what's on that.
What is you talking about?
You trying to do something to me. I just realized that. Y'all know I got high blood pressure. She done put some salt on the nugget and trying to feed it to me. Y'all, what's going on today? It's your boy Trey.
It's your girl NeeNee.
Look, man, y'all know I don't want to just say the normal, cause y'all know we hungry and all this.
But we is.
We is hungry though. I ain't gonna even lie. Your boy hungry. But we really want to see y'all, man. We just came to see y'all. Yeah. So with that being said, man, but before we get started, man, you know we need you guys to like, subscribe,
and comment, cause you know I like to talk.
Y'all know NeeNee loves to talk, and talking she would do. And make sure you guys check out the Epic Empire. Everyone's link will be in the description box below. So we ain't gonna keep y'all too long. So I'm gonna do the prayer, and NeeNee is gonna tell you what we eat today.
Yes.
So
pray, baby, pray.
Y'all want me to pray?
Yes.
Let us pray. Father God, bless this Big Mac. I ain't gonna say what you. I'm sorry. Let me start over. Father God, bless this food we're about to receive for the nourishment of our bodies. If there's anything harmful to this food, Father God, please take it away with your everlasting arms of protection. Just in prayer, man.
Oh man.
I sound like a Christian when I did that.
Yeah. So today, me and Trey about to take down some McDonald's, McDonald's, whatever y'all want to call it. We have fries, Big Mac, and a 10-piece nugget. All this is called the Big Mac what? Bundle.
The what?
Big Mac bundle.
The Big Mac bundle.
Hey.
I don't wonder. I don't wonder.
Yep, y'all.
I ain't gonna start. Ooh, that's a lot of
I'm
food.
gonna start on this. This is, we got Big Mac, fries, y'all see it, chicken.
Oh, snap, your boy almost dropped it.
And chicken. You
Yes.
good over there?
I'm good, my hand.
Make some
just
room so
shaking.
y'all can see.
Yes, yes,
Y'all see the nugget.
yes.
I really wish I could tell it.
I am gonna tell our first bite food. Hey, y'all, listen. I don't know what first bite food waiting on.
It's coming. Cause I'm trying to make some room where they can see.
Man,
There we go. Y'all see that?
how you tear that off?
It's alright, baby. So,
Hey,
I'm getting to it.
hurry up, first bite food. First bite food. It's good. They good. You never can go wrong with chicken nuggets, though. I'm sorry, Chicken McNuggets. Y'all see it? We cover everybody's eyes.
Yeah, they ain't cooking fresh.
Yeah, they cook them order. Alright, Fred. I ain't gonna lie. Now see, I'm gonna really be mad right now. Cause I just looked at this bun. I'm really gonna be mad. You gonna be mad. I smelled it when we opened it.
I will eat. What the?
Now look at McDonald's
Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of that.
on Evans Mill Road.
And I'm going back. Oh. I like toasted bread though. You want mine?
Nah, I'm good.
Ew.
Look, nah, I'm good. Look at NeeNee bun, y'all. Look at my bun. I'm gonna take one for the team.
I can't do
You know?
pickles.
I ain't gonna call them out like that. I ain't gonna say, you know, the McDonald's on Evans Mill. That ain't the point. Huh? The point is they should have got it right.
Yeah, that's right.
I know they did.
What?
That lady came in there. Talking about them bun, they probably gave me her bun.
But she had mac chicken. You think they took it off of Mac Chicken and put it on a Big Mac?
Probably. I'm appalled, man.
Better than me, because I have took a picture.
Oh, I got a
Got
picture.
finished.
I got a picture right on this video right here. It's good though. So we hope everybody staying safe.
I hate when water be in the ketchup.
I know. I do too.
You need some? Let me hide from y'all.
Ooh, NeeNee putting salt. Stop putting salt on your food.
You don't shut up.
Make these folks think I don't care about you.
I'm gonna put salt on my food.
How about them?
Right.
This is a good deal that McDonald's got going on, y'all.
Yeah.
It's called a Big Mac bundle.
I got this too.
For real? I told you guys to. Let me have a straw.
Okay, you want back?
Oh,
Is the one over here?
I got one.
Oh.
I'm good. Hey man, I know we know what's going on in the world, so I ain't gonna delve into it like that, but I don't know if so I'll be kind of skeptical when you can say certain things, but this ain't saying nothing, cause it could be for anything. And I know we got to, y'all. Man, I'm so tired of wearing that mask, man. I can't breathe in that thing.
You taking all your breath.
Yeah, can barely breathe.
Oh my God. All this sauce.
You don't like Big Mac sauce?
Not like that.
The other thing about McDonald's, you can dip your food in any sauce, it'd be good. Like I just dipped them fries in that honey mustard.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm nasty like that.
I was gonna say I'm dip that Big Mac in there.
Who won't? Dare me.
I know you will.
Dare me.
I'll tell you.
She gonna dare you, boy?
You want me to dare him so he can do it?
You ain't gonna take no, I already got some burnt bread. But dip it.
I said dip.
You ain't said nothing.
I hope y'all had a great day today.
An awesome day, man.
I would like to know, so just drop in comments. What kind of day you had?
Hey, I meant to ask y'all something. At what point, when you're a content creator, do you respond to a negative comment? You know what I'm saying? Like, at what point do you say, nah, I ain't letting that one slide? What do you think?
So you asking the
I'm asking you and them.
you asking the content creator?
Yeah. Or just people, period. At what point when somebody say something negative about you, at what point do you say, man, forget you two, man, I'm finna say something back. I'm gonna be honest with you, I ain't got that.
But is it really that you protecting your brand, or that
That's true.
you just like
Well, I think that now if some I don't have a problem with somebody giving an opinion. If you don't like the show, if you don't like the way we eat, that's an opinion. And I'm fine with the opinions. We all got one. I ain't got no problem with that. But when you say something like real disrespectful, that's what I be having a problem with.
yeah.
When your opinion just turn into disrespect.
Yeah. Being getting out of pocket. So we were just trying to see When you just
I'm gonna be honest with you.
go in.
If it's just, if somebody say that wasn't funny, I can deal with that. But if somebody be like, don't watch that, that it ain't funny. Now you being disrespectful. You know what I'm saying? Now you just being disrespectful now.
But at the same time, why did you watch it?
Right.
How you know it wasn't funny? Cause I know you done seen something way before now.
Right. I'm gonna be honest with you, like, you know, me and NeeNee, we're a little bit older, right? So we still, of course, we're still learning. Like we didn't know that people be having fake accounts and fake pages. We didn't know, like, cause we don't do stuff like that. We didn't know people be recording you and stuff.
My thing is, why you gotta hide behind something?
Right.
If you got something to say,
Right.
or you ain't feeling something, just
say it.
say it. Step up. Instead of hiding.
Yep.
Ain't no way I'm finna go through all the trouble of making something fake. Or acting like I'm somebody else.
Right. And
to
then,
voice my opinion.
right. We don't have a problem with your opinion. But just don't let it be disrespectful. That's all we say. A lot of stuff we be like, hey, for real?
Right.
We just be sitting back. Like when I tell you, me and NeeNee so chill, we just sit back and chill.
Believe it or not.
That's all we do. We just sit back and chill, like. And we understand you're not gonna get along with everybody, and that's cool. Cause just cause I don't talk to you every day, don't mean that I'm acting, Tray and NeeNee acting funny. You know what I'm saying? Like we just chill. That's it. We just chill. And you have meals in person, you're gonna get the same chill and a whole bunch of laughter. A whole bunch.
Point blank.
Mm-hmm.
Period. Right, Wilson?
You sit down at the table with us, you gonna think you mukbanging. Because we gonna be acting crazy and everything else. And that's what it's all about, y'all. Coming together, having fun.
Yep, at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I don't see how people like a lot of this mac sauce.
You don't like mac sauce? If you don't like mac sauce, then you don't like me. If you don't like mac sauce, then you don't like me.
Okay.
If you don't like mac sauce. Hold on, I gotta go into granddaddy mode right quick. Go in your room. Grandbaby at the house. That's her sniggling and giggling. But yeah, this is all we're about. We about to having a good time. I can tell y'all right now. I know what's on NeeNee mind right now.
No, you don't. What? You tell me what's on my mind.
You want me to say it? You really want me to say it? If I say that, we ain't gonna be able to put this video up. Huh?
How can't y'all?
But
I can do it.
Put a lot of mac sauce on yours. I love mac sauce. Damn.
Look at that, y'all.
You washed it out. Washed it out. Man.
I want to taste the beef. Where's the beef?
You want what?
Shut up.
Huh? You ever been talking to somebody, their gum just start bleeding?
Man, why? You always saying stuff when I'm eating. Dang. You see me sitting up here with all this darn ketchup and honey mustard. This is not funny. Excuse me, y'all.
What made somebody's gum just start bleeding like that?
I ain't eating no more, so you can keep talking. Don't be touching my food. I'm done. Let me say something out of pocket while you eat. Why you do that?
You mad?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all see NeeNee mad? This thing how it's gonna be when we start doing our vlog channel. Woo! It's gonna be off the chain. We've been tidying up, getting prepared for y'all, because the vlog channel is coming. So y'all know it's gonna be off the chain. NeeNee, you mad at me for real? What can I do? What can I do to make you unmad? Do I need to go get a toothpick and stick my gums and make them bleed? What I need to do?
You just don't know how to stop, right? If I say that spoiled my appetite. So you just make me waste my food.
I feel really bad. I feel really, really bad that I make you waste your food.
No, you don't, because you keep talking about it.
I ain't gonna talk about it no more. I really feel bad.
Okay, but it's already in my head.
What can I do to make it up?
Nothing.
What can I do?
I would have really been mad. You know what? If I would have put this ranch on my french fries like I started to. Has somebody ever said something to y'all while y'all eating and you got a thought and it stayed in your head?
I'm curious. Not even saying about your food. You said if you had you glad you didn't put that ranch sauce on your food. And you said you...
I can't eat.
I already know who you talking about. I already know who you thinking about.
Lord, just let me get this down.
Babe.
Stop.
Now for real, look. Now for real, look. Are we here though? We here. We probably think about the same thing. The same person.
Yeah. 9 times out of 10.
Dang it, now I can't eat no more.
Shut up. You already done ate.
That food was good, man. Thing about McDonald's, you gotta hurry up and eat the fries because they'll get really, really cold.
You done hurry up and eat everything. Any place like McDonald's, Burger King, I think Wendy's and Checkers hamburgers hold
the heat. Yeah, I would say that. But Wendy's burgers don't taste like Wendy's no more though.
Well, I keep burping.
Remember we were little? Then the Wendy's burger had a totally different taste. Like it was I don't know. Wendy's? Yes, Wendy's burgers used to always taste like a homemade burger. Now I don't know what it. I mean, it's not bad now, but it still don't have that same taste.
Now the one on 138.
What all that? What's all that about? what was all that with a smack?
I was feeling my Tamar or something.
Yeah, the one on 138. Shout out to the winners on 138. I don't know who back there, cause I don't know Who back there cooking?
You know, I don't even like fast food like that, but I've been craving that another chicken sandwich from Checkers.
Oh yeah.
That thing was so good, y'all.
Yeah. Thought we did the car bang. Yeah, you went in on that. That Wendy's.
You a little.
Yeah. That Wendy's on 138 though. It must be somebody named Eugene back there cooking, cause you know
My name gotta be Eugene.
Cause you know in Wendy's you gotta have that type of name, Eugene. Eugene, you know how he dressed. His hat turned to the side. He got one pants leg inside the boot and the other one just on the ground, and they untied a little bit.
Yeah.
He got on the he ain't got on the regular Wendy's shirt. He got on the old Wendy's shirt.
Which one?
The green one.
Oh God.
He got on the green Wendy's shirt.
Yeah.
He back there cooking though.
I should make you eat the rest of your nuggets.
You should what? Comment down below if y'all believe NeeNee will make me eat something.
Open your mouth. You nasty.
Let me get that since I licked on it.
You did not lick that. You
Let me-
didn't want to eat it.
What is that on there though?
What?
No, you did.
What?
NeeNee ain't right, y'all.
What?
I see what's on that.
What is you talking about?
You trying to do something to me. I just realized that. Y'all know I got high blood pressure. She don't put some salt on the nugget and trying to feed it to me.
Look at this.
Eat another one.
No, you don't want no.
This girl really trying to do something to you, boy.
So you gonna put it out there like I'll take you out with some nuggets.
Yep. They tell you though. Don't McDonald's got the best Coke around.
Yeah.
McDonald's Coca-Cola off the
Wait a
chain.
minute, somebody neck and neck though. What we have Coke?
Was it Crystal?
Oh, it was Checkers.
Yeah, Checkers was good. Checkers was good.
I probably thought they just
Close your eye. I got it.
thank you. They just clean their filter when everybody started getting back out.
Yeah, but McDonald's.
Yeah, McDonald's is A1.
Y'all know, me and NeeNee went to McDonald's, right? We ordered some combo meal, and they was like, we don't have any Coke. Don't y'all know we drove off?
No Coke. They looking at Trey like.
We
man.
said that like they ran out of hamburgers or something.
That man serious about his Coke.
Man, what? Dead serious about the Coke. How much Coke you got left?
A whole lot.
Dang.
I just be taking sips.
For real. I be slurping, y'all. It's just Coke is off the chain.
It is good.
But yeah, man, we just.
Oh, I gotta do something to my head. Lord, that mustache. It's time to everybody coming out. I got to do right.
Right. Be seeing everybody in the little beauty parlor.
Me, ain't it?
In the beauty parlor, the beauty shops.
Oh, I ain't going up there now.
But you know what though?
Not just yet. I need to go get my feet done.
I ain't gonna even lie. I needed a haircut 9 months ago.
I actually like your little hang thing.
I ain't gonna have
I
her.
just need to shape up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it shaped up real good. I don't know, I think I want a mohawk. Remember I had the mohawk with the part? That's what I want, a mohawk. You thought that was sexy? What is you doing?
Nothing.
Oh. You was
What?
I'm sorry, y'all. NeeNee always be up to something, so I gotta watch it. She's still mad about that Oreo cookie prank. So I gotta watch it. Excuse me.
Dang, I'm trying to be out.
Got a little kick to it though.
I don't know.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I had a little kick to it. That's from that burnt bun.
Don't even try. Don't even try it. So yeah, y'all.
Yeah.
We about to get up out of here.
Yes. Yes. When I tell y'all, I ain't gonna even lie. We are tired.
Yeah.
We are tired. We be going to bed.
So
Well, last night, let me tell y'all about last night.
Woo.
Listen, last night, me and NeeNee was in the bed asleep.
I just got good and sleep, y'all.
Y'all know y'all be in that deep sleep, that real deep sleep.
The temperature comfortable, everything.
So we got our grandbaby at the house, right? So I call her little third shift because she stay up all night long. I think at the time it's like what, 4 something in the morning?
Last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 3. I looked at the clock because it was 3:43.
It was 3:43 in the morning. Her little butt come walking in the room. And you know how somebody scare you so well? I know she scared NeeNee.
Because she was standing over
She was
me.
just standing over NeeNee. And so when I got up and looked, you know how you be like, dang. I looked, I was so scared. I just started laughing.
Looking at him like, what are you laughing at? And she talking about, so grandma, I thirsty.
Yeah, she thirsty.
Thirsty?
All because she thirsty.
But she had not been to sleep, y'all. Do y'all hear what I'm saying?
Y'all don't understand.
Up watching TV.
Yes. And the thing is, I don't think I've ever been that scared in my life.
That's it, really. It scared me.
Boy, she scared a smile out of me. She went past the SH.
Oh, God.
She went past the SH.
Yeah.
Y'all know what? And she scared a smile out of me. I just got up, I was like. Anyway, y'all, that was our little story time.
We so scared, we started fussing.
Yeah, exactly. And then she scared both of us, we started fussing at each other. I forgot what you said.
Oh, no.
Said something. No, you said something to her, and I was like, no. I wasn't even finna say it. I was like, and then like, no. Because she gonna think that's okay. And I'm like, you didn't even know what I was about to say.
Right. Oh, boy, that was something else.
And that's our story time. That's our story. We sticking to it.
Yeah.
We was scared last night. That's what it was in a nutshell. But before we get up out of here, man, make sure you guys like, subscribe,
and comment, cause you know I like to talk.
Make sure you check out the
mix it up on y'all.
What you did? What you did, girl? You mixed it up.
Go ahead, crazy.
You scared a smile out of me. Anyway, man, do I gotta say it again?
Yep.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe,
and comment, cause you know I like to talk.
Make sure you guys check out the Epic Empire. Everybody link will be in the description box below. And make sure if you haven't got your tickets yet for the July 18th meet and greet
y'all.
in
Atlanta. I'll be messing with him. In the ATL, y'all. July 18th is going down. Get your tickets, $5. Kids 10 and
under.
Free, y'all. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Anyway, y'all, we ain't want too much, man. We was just in here. I don't really want to leave y'all just yet.
Oh.
But I gotta go. I don't want to. I can't sing that, but I'm about to get it. I'm about to get my Tray song. I'm gonna sing it to you after. Can I sing that to you after we get through?
Yeah, once we click out.
Oh, hey, since she said I'm gonna be able to sing that. Hey, man, we ain't want too much, man. We just checking in.
And checking out.
And now your boy Tray and your girl NeeNee is checking out. Peace. You want to let me sing that to you?
Yes.
Hey, I gotta go, y'all. Bye.